Mastering, in the meantime, enhance your English fluency. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to help you improve your English language skills in fun and engaging ways. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrase that can help you sound more fluent and natural in English. In the meantime, understanding and using this phrase correctly can significantly enhance your conversational skills. So let's dive in. In the meantime is a phrase used to refer to the period of time between two events. It's a way of indicating that while we are waiting for something to happen, there are other things that can be done. This phrase is incredibly useful because it helps us describe actions or situations that occur in the interim or waiting period. For example, if you say, "I'm waiting for my friend to arrive. In the meantime, I'll read a book," you're indicating that you'll read a book to pass the time until your friend arrives. Using "in the meantime" in a sentence is straightforward. It's typically used at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence to introduce the action that will be taken while waiting for something else. Here are a few examples to demonstrate its usage. The meeting starts at 3 p.m. In the meantime, let's prepare our presentation. I need to save money for a new car. In the meantime, I'll use public transportation. We'll hear back from the university in a few weeks. In the meantime, you can start looking into accommodation options. Notice how in each example, "in the meantime" introduces a temporary action or plan that fills the waiting period. While "in the meantime" is a great phrase to use, it's also helpful to know some alternatives to diversify your language skills. Some similar phrases include "meanwhile," often used interchangeably with "in the meantime." "Until then" focuses more on the end point of the waiting period. "In the interim," a more formal alternative that means the same thing. Each of these can be used to vary your language and avoid repetition, making your English sound more polished and diverse. And that wraps up our lesson on "in the meantime." We hope you now feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations and writings. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect ideas and actions across time. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new language concept, so try using "in the meantime" and its alternatives in your next English conversation. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.